At DHL, we have a very methodical approach towards innovation. We have very strict phase gates and only scale globally if we are confident that it will bring outcome for us or our customers. We take innovation very serious. We always have in our mind how we can better serve our customers, how we can have better quality, how we can have better safety, and how we can operate everything that we do in a better way. We publish a trend radar. We look at social, at business, or at technology trends in a very frequent manner. So we try things out in a local environment and prove it there. And then we move to the next phase, where we scale this up to proof of concepts in a regional environment. And once we have proven that part, we would scale globally. We move things. So things have always been important for us. The Internet of Things is not a new term for us. It's been something we have been connecting devices to our networks for a long, long time.
Data we are actually looking at is something that the IT systems had it there for many months or even years. I think that the IoT platform, what brings is give us access to the data in a very fast manner, real time.
We have a unique position. We have a great breadth of operations across the globe. We are the biggest player on the market, and we have had really good success in driving those innovations across the globe.
Thanks to our executive relationship with Cisco, they basically brought a product that today can definitely cover that indoor positioning with the infrastructure we already have set up. What is important also is that you have a visualization tool that helps you understand that information and put the information into context. This is why actually we needed an extra partner, and in this case, Conduce was brought into the mix. So the three parties, Cisco, DHL, and Conduce, actually put the system together. Basically, you're using 4 sources of information. The first one is around indoor positioning. We are able to capture the Wi-Fi location of our scanners. We are also capturing the utilization of our material handling equipment. We also are capturing data around the warehouse management systems. What are the tasks that are actually directed to our users? All those sources together basically bring us the visualization in the warehouse. As we started the project, we actually looked mainly at 2 aspects of that. One was around increasing efficiency in our warehouses. We want to see if we can actually run them better. And the second one was around safety. As we basically move forward, we want this actual tool to give us some insights in terms of making decisions. Aggregating the positioning of the individuals, we can actually get very interesting insights, such as, for example, heat maps. The heat maps will, of course, give us where are the highest concentrations of individuals and also with the forklifts. And as a result of that, we could also bring some proactive safety measures. For us, what is important is to ensure whether the new technology actually is going to bring a benefit or not. We do have a series of lighthouses, one of them being Beringen.
A lighthouse facility is a selected site where we show our best practices in operations and use it also for pilots in new process setups. The Internet of Things gives us a better view into our warehouse. We can replay activities over a period of time and analyze what happened and try to find alternatives. For the size of this operation, 40,000 square meters, it's impossible for a supervisor or an operations manager to have a full overview. Our first use case was asset utilization, material handling equipment, where we can analyze the usage over a day, a week, or a month time. The inventory optimization identifies opportunity to put the right parts at the right spot of the warehouse to minimize travel distances. For safety, there are 2 ways to use the tool. We use it to review the traffic plan, so you can see the heat maps and determine if the flows are okay. And we use it to review incidents, so impacts or collisions, because the tool will really show you what happened. With the tool, you can very quickly visualize where opportunities are and adjust your warehouse setup. This way of looking at things is really brand new. Normally, an engineer would look at flat lists to really turn data into information, but now he has one screen with a clear visualization of what happened in a warehouse, and that really adds value.
The IoT journey is something that we're gonna be walking, and the ones who will basically not walk the path of digitalization will be basically left outside. No longer we can actually wait for months to get a report or weeks. We need to take decisions now about things that are happening now. That for us has been the energy that was fueling the project for the last months, understanding that yes, we are somehow changing the way we're actually running logistics.
We think that digitalization will have a huge impact to our industry. the whole supply chain will be fully digitalized, and we will see the advent of new services, new solutions that we can implement for our customers, and that has a profound impact on the whole industry.
The Internet of Things, or IoT, is influencing our lifestyle from the way we react to the way we behave. From air conditioners that you can control with your smartphone, to smart cars providing the shortest route, or your smartwatch which is tracking your daily activities. IoT is a giant network of connected devices. These devices gather and share data about how they are used and the environment in which they are operated. It's all done using sensors. Sensors are embedded in every physical device. It can be your mobile phone, electrical appliances, vehicles, barcode sensors, traffic lights, and almost everything that you come across in day-to-day life. These sensors continuously emit data about the working state of the devices. But the important question is, how do they share this huge amount of data, and how do we put this data to our benefit? IoT provides a common platform for all these devices to dump their data and a common language for all the devices to communicate with each other. Data is emitted from various sensors and sent to IoT platforms securely. IoT platform integrates the collected data from various sources. Further analytics is performed on the data, and valuable information is extracted as per requirement. Finally, the result is shared with other devices for better user experience, automation, and improving efficiencies. Let us look at a scenario where IoT is doing wonders. In an AC manufacturing industry, both the manufacturing machine and the belt have sensors attached. They continuously send data regarding the machine health and the production specifics to the manufacturer to identify issues beforehand. A barcode is attached to each product before leaving the belt. It contains the product code, manufacturer details, special instructions, etc. The manufacturer uses this data to identify where the product was distributed and track the retailer's inventory. Hence, the manufacturer can make the product running out of stock available. Next, these products are packed and parceled to different retailers. Each retailer has a barcode reader to track the products coming from different manufacturers, manage inventory, check special instructions, and many more. The compressor of air conditioner has an embedded sensor that emits data regarding its health and temperature. This data is analyzed continuously, allowing the customer care to contact you for the repair work in time. This is just one of the million scenarios. We have smart appliances, smart cars, smart homes, smart cities, where IoT is redefining our lifestyle and transforming the way we interact with technologies. The future of IoT industry is huge. Business Insider Intelligence estimates that 24 billion IoT devices will be installed by 2020, and IDC predicts that IoT revenue will reach around 357 billion in 2019, resulting in a lot of job opportunities in the IT industry. Want to become a part of the IoT revolution? Come and master IoT with EduReka.